Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukai Japan. In this video, I'll share powerful tips on how to maximize productivity using Google Workspace. Today, we will solve one of the most time-consuming tasks in your work, scheduling meetings. Using the basic features of Google Calendar, let's dive in. First, let's talk about a common issue with scheduling. Scheduling is one of the biggest time wasted and a major source of stress in the workplace. Every time you go back and forth trying to find a suitable time, you face the following issues. You keep wasting your time, constantly checking schedules and sending emails or a message to coordinate. Your stress increases while you are waiting for responses, and the frustration of not having a confirmed time. And your productivity decreases because you are struggling to focus on other tasks until the meeting is set. For example, here's a Google Calendar view. Blue is my calendar, and brown is Alex's calendar, and orange is Anna's calendar. So how will we traditionally coordinate a meeting with all these three people? Normally, we would find a time slot that three of us are available and send date options via text. However, if someone receives another appointment while we are still considering the date, we have to start it over. This is the biggest issue with traditional scheduling. It wastes time and creates unnecessary back and forth communication. The good news is Google Calendar's new feature solves this problem completely. This new function is called Appointment Schedule. With appointment schedules, you can share your Google Calendar availability with others and let others book their preferred time slots automatically. In addition, no Google account is required for the other person. Book your schedule, and it supports multiple participants for scheduling. Now, let's take a look. Okay, so let's see how to use Google Calendar's new feature, Appointment Schedule. Okay, so click the up launcher in the top right and select Google Calendar, and click the Create button in the top left corner, then select Appointment Schedule at the bottom. So enter your title, set the meeting duration. Here I will set it to 1 hour. In general availability, set the days and times you want to be available. So set the availability from Monday to Friday. For example, this 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. After setting the time for Monday, click the copy button, this square icon, on the right to apply the same schedule to other days. If you don't want to accept appointments on certain days, for example, Wednesday, you can disable specific days individually. And scroll down. In cohorts, the default setting only shows your available time slots, but you can include other team members as well. In this case, let's add Alex and Anna. Add people, Alex and Anna. So total of 3 people are included in the meeting. Click the next button. In location and conferencing, choose whether the meeting will be in person or online. If you select an online meeting, Google Meet will be automatically set up. Now, I choose this. So you won't need to manually send the meeting URL. Ooh, so nice. So in description, enter a message that will appear on the booking page. Thank you for scheduling. Please select your preferred time. That's good. In booking form, customize the information required from the person making the reservation. By default, the form includes the first name, last name, and email address. Adding a custom item list, click Add an item and select the custom item. So you can add custom fields such as company name, and click Required Add Item. It makes the form more useful for yourself. Click Save, then click Share and copy link to send the booking URL to the other party. Okay, so let's try to book a schedule from the booking page link, okay? Click Open Booking page. Now you can choose your preferred date and time. Okay, Thursday setting. Enter the necessary information, company name, and click Book. So booking confirmed. The appointment will automatically be added to your calendar, and the person who booked it will also receive a confirmation message. Let's take a look at it. At the Google Calendar, meeting Nissy, 60 minutes, and Ryo Nishihara, Alex, John, and Brown. Plus, Alex and Anna's calendars were automatically booked as well. So fantastic. That's it. Now scheduling is fully automated, making it super convenient. To fully utilize this new Google Calendar feature, it is essential to use Google Calendar correctly. In reality, many people are not using Google Calendar in the correct way. The key is to establish team rules and only add truly necessary events to Google Calendar, nothing else. If everyone in the team follows these rules, manual scheduling will no longer be necessary. If you don't want certain times to be scheduled, simply block them as work time or another event. It's not just about using the feature, but creating a structured workflow within your team is the real key to success. With this Google Calendar update, you can eliminate the stress of scheduling and boost your productivity a lot. I'll keep sharing must-to-know Google Workspace insights, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye!